Hello, Sam here with jbugs.com. We're borrowing a friend of mine's shop so you can see all the repairs we're doing on our 1971 Super Beetle restoration. We still have some more big patches to address, but for this video, we're going to cover a quick and simple modification. We're going to weld up all the body molding holes. Before we start, we'll make sure to say, wear appropriate protective gear, work in a safe and well-ventilated environment, and only perform work that is well within your capabilities. Cutting, grinding, and welding can all be dangerous, so make sure to use the necessary precautions. Since we're doing a Euro or German look restoration, we're going to be eliminating most all the chrome and decorative trim from our Beetle. Most of this is as simple as removing or painting pieces. However, when you pull the body molding, you wind up with a bunch of holes in your body. So we start with an air-powered angle grinder and a sanding disc and remove the paint around the body molding holes. Now we can get to welding up the holes. A trick I like to use is to cover the back side of the hole with a brass block. The trick is that the brass will conduct electricity, but the weld won't stick to the brass. So, while holding the brass in place behind the hole, we weld the hole up, then come back with our sanding disc and smooth out the panel. On the rear quarter panel, backing the hole isn't totally necessary, but at the front quarter panel, the brass block means that on the inside of the panel, there's minimal grinding required to have a smooth finished surface. There isn't any backing plate welded in place, and we don't have any body filler oozing through a hole. We've got a few more holes to weld up, and once they're filled, we'll get on to some of the other rust repairs we have to do. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click the like button below, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and when you need parts for your vintage VW, head over to jbugs.com.